What's going on, you guys? So today we're going to take a quick look at why you're having issues with your uploads into Davinci Resolve from Xbox Game Bar DVR and how to fix it. Let's get right to it. So the issue you're having is that the Game Bar is outputting these clips in MP4 and it needs to be a more workable format. What we're going to be doing is converting it to an M4V. I found this app, Handbrake, through a little research on Google. It's a transcoding app. You just drag and drop your clips. So here's the same clip that I'm using in Davinci currently. I just drag it onto Handbrake, pulls it up, recognizes that it is an MP4. It will be output in M4V. Real quick, the preset up here that's in 1080-30. I do mine in 1080-60. Pull down this tab right here, down 1080-60. Boom. You would hit start transcode and it would output new file in the correct format for you. Excuse me. So you can see a little proof of concept here. Whole lot better. I hope this helps you guys. If you have any questions at all, leave them down in the comments. Other than that, catch you guys in the next video.